Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. So, I am back with another very important video for all the students of schools and colleges as well. So, in this video, we are going to discuss about so many things. If you are SOL students, you must be getting worried about your date sheet of semester 1. So, we will discuss about that. Then, we will discuss about IP University, one very important fee refund notice. Then, IGNOU admissions have started. We will talk about that, and we will definitely discuss that DU is not opening for first year students. Now it is confirmed. And then we will discuss about the thing ki why schools want early exams for classes 9th and 11th. So you can skip the video if you want, or you can increase the speed, but you have to watch the video if you are interested in any of these things. So let's start. First of all, we will start with the notices. Like, first of all, I am going to show you the refund notice of IP University. It was released yesterday, only 4th of January. So in this, it is written that refund of amount of part academic fee. Means many of you are getting worried that you have not been given any refund of your part academic fee. So finally, the university has released a notice. So it can be taken as a ray of hope that at least they are considering this thing. So it is written that it is to inform all concerned that the refund of amount of part academic fee in accordance with the university rules, and the amount shall be credited in the bank account of the respective candidates as per the details filled at the time of filling registration form for participating in online counseling for academic session 2021. The process is likely to be completed by 15th of February 2021. So finally, the university has made it clear that if you are waiting for your part academic fee, like 40,000, if you have paid and you are waiting, that it should be returned back to you. It will be returned to you before 15th of February. So finally, this is a big relief for all those students who were waiting for their fee refund. So we are really happy for that. So now we will see another very important notification from IGNOU. So IGNOU begins admission process for January 21 session, and you have to open the website of IGNOU, that is ignou.ac.in, and if you can check the details here in this video. Also, I'm just going to tell you what is the last date and like what are some other important things, so you can just watch those things. And here you can see that candidates who are eligible and interested, they can apply for IGNOU January 2021 admission process online at ignouadmissionsmirth.edu.in on or before 28th of February. So you can see that actually here one ID is given, so you have to apply here, and I have underlined it, and on or before 28th of February. So you have to mind it, you have to keep this thing in mind that the last date is 28th of February, this month only you have to decide. So if you were not able to take admission in any other university, you can definitely go for IGNOU. That can be a good choice for you. So now we will discuss about the other thing, why no date sheet for SOL semester 1 has been released by the university. Means 2-3 days back there was a notification that tentative date sheet for first semester, and that was for regular and NC web students, but not for SOL. So what does it mean? Why are they not releasing this date sheet? So, and when are their exams going to start then? Means all the students of SOL must be getting worried over this thing. So guys, you don't have to worry much about that, because when the regular date sheet comes after few days, then SOL date sheet is also released. So we have come to know that regular exams are going to start from 19th of March. So most probably next week, after 1 week, your exams will also start. So you need not get careless कि अभी हमारी date sheet तो आई नहीं है, तो it means कि your exams would be delayed or something like that. It's not going to happen. So you guys have to be very careful. You have to keep on studying. You have to get support wherever you want, and you have to just start preparing for your exams, because you are not being provided any direct guidance by anybody. So you have to check to this thing. So now we have to see One more thing that must be coming in your mind, and many of you are asking in the comments also, whether DU colleges are getting opened from 5th of February for first year students, because there was a notification that 5th February colleges can be opened, and since then speculations are going on ki whether colleges would be opened or not. So today is 5th of February, and we have come to know that like till date no notification is there from the university side, means we haven't got any information, so it is a clear indication that your colleges are not going to open right now. And one more thing can also be considered, that as the date sheet has been given to you, and in that it is clearly mentioned that your exams would be online. So when the exams are going to be conducted online, that is again a clear indication that colleges are not going to open physically at least up to March or April. So means if they will open the colleges, they will conduct their exams also in an offline mode, but they have clearly mentioned that exams will be in online and blended mode. Online and blended mode means online and blended means that you would be given means permission to come to the colleges if you want, otherwise you can stay at your home and you can appear in your exams. But one thing we have to keep in mind, we have to just remember this thing also, that tentative word is written. So tentative means likely to be changed. So we have to keep our fingers crossed. We wish that at least your exams should be online only, because offline exams are very difficult, and but tentative creates little bit tension. So we have to check out, we have to wait for the further notifications. We have to be prepared for the unexpected things also, right? So now we move on to CBSE students. So here is means a problem going on for 9th and 11th class students. Since the time the date sheet for 10th and 12th was released, schools have started sending their date sheets for 9th and 11th classes also. So why is it happening? Why schools are wanting to conduct early exams for classes 9th and 11th? The reason is obvious. Actually, CBSE has not given any fixed schedule for practicals of 10th and 12th class. They have only said that practicals of classes 10th and 12th will be started from 1st March. So now it is quite clear that schools are thinking that if they will conduct examinations of practical examinations of classes 10th and 12th in the month of March, then they would have to conduct the exams of 9th and 11th before that, because they can do one thing, like in March they will have to use all the equipments and their labs and everything for 10th and 12th class board classes. That is mandatory, because externals would also be coming in all. So as far as their 9th and 11th class is concerned, for that also they need all the things. So that is the reason that they are thinking that it would be better for them to conduct the exams of 9th and 11th in the month of Feb, so that they are free from 9th and 11th class examinations. So now the thing is that either these 9th and 11th class exams can be conducted in Feb or in April. Means in March it won't be possible, because schools would need their infrastructure, their practical labs, their equipments, everything for 10th and 12th class. So obviously they want to use everything for 9th and 11th class. But we have to see this thing. What happens, because it seems to be an injustice for the students of classes 9th and 11th that so suddenly they have been notified about the examination, and even parents are also protesting this thing that exams should not be conducted in the month of February. So at least they should move it to March, but in March it would be a bit difficult. So maybe they may take them to April. So we have to see now what happens, because CBSE has not given any clear guidelines for the examinations of classes 9th and 11th. So everything is in the hands of schools. Or it may happen that we are creating so much awareness, like on YouTube also many people are creating such videos related to these exams of 9th and 11th. So maybe CBSE also comes to know about this disturbance, and they may also release some official circular to the schools that when to conduct the exams of 9th and 11th and how to conduct them, whether they should be conducted online or offline. So everything needs to be taken care of. So now I think we have to wait and watch. So let's see what happens. So I think I have provided you complete information related to all the educational fields, like I have told you about DU, about SOL, IPU, IGNOU, CBSE, everything. So if you are any of these students, you should subscribe to Kingdom of Learning, because every day you will get latest notifications here on this channel. Apart from that, you will get videos to improve your English also. So thank you all of you, and if you found the video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Kingdom of Learning.